This villain was exposed doing a machete dance in the middle of the intersection.
Give me space, bro. Give me space. Give me space. Give me space.
He's waving a machete in the middle of the street, running towards cars.
Okay.
He jumped out of his vehicle, which is a black Mustang, a two-door GT Mustang.
Did he injure anybody?
No, he hasn't injured anybody yet. He's running towards people and they would run away from him.
And there's a man with a sword in the middle of the intersection, and he is screaming, and he looks dangerous, and he's swinging at cars.
And he's threatening people to kill him. He parked his car in the middle of the street. Oh my God, hold on. Well, he's moving now. He's moving now. Oh my God. Oh, hey, run!
The suspect, later identified as Capri Singh, triggered a flood of 911 calls from terrified drivers as he swung a machete in the middle of the intersection.
Give me space, bro. Give me space. Give me space. Give me space.
Right there. Oh, fuck. No. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. No, partner. Go up.
Stand by. Get in, bro. Get in.
Go. Alright, we're good. Follow him because of the fucking fence. Stand by. Follow him because of the fence.
Stand by, Mike.
Drop it!
Get in. Get
Get in the car!
Get in.
Stop! Stop, bro! Shoot! Stop, bro! Fucking shoot yourself!
Get in.
Hey, pursuit!
Get in the car now. Pursuit. Driver. He's on the go southbound on Figueroa.
It's gonna be a black Charger. Stand by for the plate.
Have you had secondary messages?
29, it's gonna be for an ADW on appeal.
We're over there.
Hey, airship, take my air, please.
Stand by.
He's going around. My side.
Stand by.
We're good.
Stand by. All right, just trying to wrap another officer.
Stand by.
And stand by, crossfire, bro.
Crossfire, got it. Fuck! You good?
Stand by. Get around the surface. Stand by, crossfire, bro.
Fuck!
Stand by, crossfire, bro.
Fuck! Get back! Stop! Stop it!
Stand by!
Stop it! Shots fired. Stop it! Hey, don't move, bro.
The suspect was taken to the hospital. A 27-inch machete with a 21.75-inch blade was recovered and booked as evidence.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.